Hello, welcome to Some Dude's Kitchen. I'm just some dude. We just had our first snow, so I want to bake today. So first off, we're going to be doing vegan mashed potatoes, and we're going to put a little twist on them here too, in case you're somebody like me and loves twice baked potatoes. First, you'll want to get your oven set to 350. Next, get your potatoes. You'll probably want to pick out, 2 per person, and then you'll want to wash them and get your cookie sheet. Next, put tin foil on your cookie sheet and spray it with some oil. And after you wash your potatoes, you want to pat them dry before putting them on your oiled pan. Just kind of like that. And then we want to grab a fork. So once you have your fork, you just want to stab the potatoes, maybe like 6 times each. So you want to grab your potatoes and put them in the oven for at least an hour. I'm going to do like an hour and 15, an hour and 30. Just to make sure the inside is as soft as it can be for what I'm doing. The timer just went off, so we're going to go ahead, pull these out, and we want to let them cool a little bit before we handle them for the next step. So while that's cooling, I put some butter and some garlic here in my pan, and we're just going to turn that onto a lower setting here, just to kind of get it melted and get those mingled while we're scraping out the potatoes. All right, so you'll want to scoop them out as best as you can, and then I just bring it right over and put it into the pot once the butter's melted. And I'm the only one eating twice baked potatoes, so part of the potatoes is going here so I can make potato bread later on. All right, and once those are hollowed out, you'll want to go ahead and spray the inside really well. And then we're going to go ahead and pop these back into the oven for like 10 minutes and see how they're doing. As all those are in the oven, bring your potatoes back here on the stove and just put in, a couple tablespoons of milk. Sorry, my tremors are being really bad right now. I normally use 2 hands to pour this. Hold on. Sorry about that. I got that in there now. Right, so we're going to take the potatoes and mash them up. We're waiting for the milk to warm up along with everything else. And there we are, creamy, plain vegan mashed potatoes. So with twice baked potatoes, you throw in things like sour cream, more spices, bacon, chives, cheese, stuff like that. So what I'm going to be throwing into this, some more garlic, Italian, salt, pepper, some vegan cheese, and then panko, because we don't have cornflakes, but cornflakes do work the best to give it like that little crunch. My phone ran out of space on this part, but after that first 10 minutes, you flip over your potatoes and just do a quick spray over the back of them and put them in for another 10. All right, so you want to flip them back over and then start filling them with that. And then we're going to top them with a little bit of cheese and panko. And again, I never use real dairy because of my allergies. So we got some Daiya and some Simple Truth vegan cheese. All right, your potatoes are most likely going to be topsy-turvy. So bring that foil up to hold them in place. You also have a little bit left over that you can eat. It's delicious. And now we're going to sprinkle some of these toppings. All right, so twice baked potato means it's going to get baked again. I'm going to put it in for 30 minutes and see how it looks after that. Oh, look at those. Let them sit for a little bit, and